If you want to reduce battery aging on iPhone 17e, then here's what you can do. We're gonna open settings and then go to battery settings in this place. Now in here we can proceed to charging, and here we can pretty much do everything we can in order to slow down the process of battery aging. Unfortunately, we cannot completely prevent that from happening. It is inevitable, and sooner or later the battery capacity is going to drop. But what you can do to slow this down is you can set up the charge limit. By default we use 100%, which is of course really convenient to use on a daily basis because you are allowed to charge the battery all the way to 100%. But if you want to reduce battery aging, it is recommended to set the charge limit. This can be 95, 90%, 85, or even 80%. And 80% is actually the best option, but I know that this can be really annoying to use because you cannot really always charge your phone as much as in theory you can. But if you can actually survive like this, if you think that you can handle your iPhone like this, if you don't really mind charging only to 80%, then this is the way to go, pretty much. This is the best way to preserve the battery lifespan and reduce battery aging. Of course, if you do mind using 80%, you can try to increase it to 85, 90, or even at 95%. And if you really want to use 100% all the time, then for example, you might want to use it only from time to time. You can actually allow 100% charging until tomorrow, so then the next day that 100% option is going to be deactivated and switched to, for example, 95 or anything below. And if you just want to stick with 100%, if you really want to use the battery as much as you can, you should keep optimized battery charging enabled. This is another option that might limit battery charging. It doesn't really limit, but it slows down the charging process, so it might take some time to charge from 80 to 100%. So you might think that the battery is stuck at, let's say, 90% or so, but in reality the phone is trying to figure out how often you charge a phone, when you charge it, when you stop charging, and so on and so forth. And then based on that information, once it collects enough information about your charging pattern, then the phone can actually optimize this, and you might not even notice that the phone is limiting the battery charging from 80% to 100%. So yeah, you should definitely use this option, and that is pretty much it. That's the most that we can do in order to reduce battery aging on this phone. Also, I have to mention something about charging, when you should start charging your phone, because I think this is also quite important. You should always avoid completely using the battery. You should never really drain your battery to 0%. It is recommended to start charging at approximately 20% or so. So whenever you drop to 20%, this is the perfect time to start charging your iPhone 17e. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.